Hi, this is Richard Ward with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today we are showcasing this 2020 Scout 330 LXF. This boat is equipped with black hull, midnight edition. Come on over here and I'll show you the motor. It is Scout White twin 400 Verados. Let's go up top and we'll show you the interior. This boat is equipped with a aft seat which is foldable. You have a port side dive door and a transom entrance as well. Up top, in the bow, we have all the seating, bow seating and a full lounge with a retractable table. It goes all the way to the floor. The table can't come up all the way. And at the helm, we have twin Garmin's 4-inch vessel view. We have our seatkeeper loaded here with a joystick system as well. Inside the 330, you have a nice cuddy space with your head system right here, and it is also a overboard discharge. So you know, once you're out, you can get everything out of there if you need to. Let's go back outside, and I'll show you one last thing. Here you have your prep station. You have raw water and fresh water washdowns coming out of the back as well. Schedule a showing on this vessel. Please give us a call.